welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I have a new unboxing video for you to show, so stay tuned. Okay, this time gsjj.com sent me an email if I wanted to do an unboxing video for them, and in the first place I had no idea what it was, so I never heard of them. But when I checked them out I got curious, especially when you can design your own pieces. So yeah, so what do they have? They have so many things, but let me first unbox this beautiful little very good quality box. Okay, so let's see what's inside. There we go. I just cut the tape loose, but wow, this is a very good solid box. Yep, here it goes. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let me unpack this for you. Alright, wait just a sec. Otherwise it crinkles so much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wow, 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 wow. Alright, so I got, and I really hope that I pronounced the word correctly. For all of you guys, I'm not an English speaking woman. I'm from Holland, so but oh my gosh. This is a yeah, enamel pin. Enamel. I have no idea how you pronounce it. Enamel. Yeah. But anyways, God, oh my gosh, I have to show you from close. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at the gold at the back and my name, Scrap Queen in gold. This is so fancy. Oh my gosh. And what this is, this has at the back, has some pins. And these are rubber pins. Let me, no, yeah, here it goes. You also have them in metal, metal closures, but these are rubber. So you can pin this at your t-shirt or whatever you want to put this on. But oh my gosh, look at the quality. This is so cool. So this is the back. Very nice. I really like it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and so this is what I told you, that you can design your own piece. Look at the shimmering. Oh my gosh. And now I really had some difficulty with designing it. I did watch on YouTube several unboxing videos where they show you how you can design your own pieces. I am not a computer nerd, so I had very much difficulties to do that, but I also have to confess that I did not have that much time to learn myself, to get deeper in how and everything. But gosh, please check out some YouTube videos because it's amazing what you can do. You definitely can. You even can make a drawing for any kind of puppet or an animal or a clown, whatever. You can draw something. You just can send the text, not the text, the drawing, the pencil drawing, and you can tell which colors that you want, or you can color it in and you just send them to them, and they have a great team that design it for you in this. So I did that too. I picked up a nice frame, which for those people who knows me longer than today, I do sometimes create my own paper collection, and then I also have some great ornaments to use to make labels and something like that. So I picked one out of my own collection, and I put my name in, and I just sent them to them, and I definitely told them that I want to have some gold in it, and the white on the back is just so stunning. And they just came back to me and give me some advice on what to do on the back. The back is just plain and black. And yeah, the communication is really fun. They really have the effort and the time to sit down with you and see what you came up with. Now, this is amazing. I truly am in love with this one. So they sent me a bunch of these. So happy. So maybe I can make you happy with one of those someday. And they also make stickers. Yeah, and you also can create your own sticker. And I could choose another design, but as I told you, my time was a little bit limited. My fault. It definitely was my fault. So they sent me, and I just choose the same design for the sticker. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is so stunning. And look at the shine, very glossy. And now you can see the ornament. Really cool. See, this is the exact ornament that I sent. See how beautiful, wait just a sec. How beautiful it is if you put these next to each other. Look at that. It's almost exactly the same. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Alright, now I really want to know what kind of sticker it is. I really want to check it out. What quality sticker. Oh. Alright, see. That is a very nice, good quality. Not easy to tear down. I think PVC stuff or something. Very nice thick quality. Oh my gosh, I love it. You can put it, I don't want to glue it down just yet, but oh my gosh. I am in love. Alright, so I have my own Scrap Queen stickers. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh, cool. This is so cool. Oh, wow. So yeah, this is really awesome. Maybe I can design some in the future for my kids or something. Not children, kids, but I make kits. To scrapbook supplies. Oh my gosh, I really am impressed. So guys, check it out guys. For if you want, if you have some interest in, you also can choose, by the way, the designs that they already have made. So if you don't want to design your own, well, I can't imagine why you wouldn't, because it's so one of a kind to make your own pins, enamel pins. I have no clue how you pronounce it. I really don't. So sorry. Okay. They have so many, by the way, so many. They have label pins, enamel pins, trading pins. I'm just reading it right here. Patches they have, PVC patches. They also have medals or belt buckles, even lanyards. They have so many things, and you all can personalize it. So that is the most beautiful thing that I really love about this website, and the help that they give you. It's really helpful. So check it out, gsjj.com, and guys, check it out, because I really think that this, maybe you have a small business or something, this would be awesome to add in your. I don't want to give you any tips to add in each kit, but this is really cool. I really like it. So maybe I'm gonna order some more for myself. So cool. Alright guys, check it out. Really. I can't. My words are getting nowhere today. Okay, so gsjj.com. Thank you so much for sending me these, for the help that you gave me, because I was really having a hard time. for this, but they really are so kind to help you, and they are in Los Angeles, California. And yeah, what else can I tell you? Really, you have to check out the website, guys. You have to check out the web at gsjj.com, and I will put the link below to see what you came up with. I really am impressed for all of these. Oh my gosh, so cool. I definitely, sooner when I have more time, I definitely am gonna see how you can design your own stuff. It's so easy, but as you can see, if you don't have skills like drawings, like I do not draw pictures, but if you don't, just send them something that you like and they make something with that. So cool. It's really one of a kind. Nobody has this. Nobody. Okay, so cool. So check it out. jsjj.com. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I just owe you some more explanations because especially for my Dutch viewers, I went to the website to show you a little bit, and I know I am really jealous on people who make unboxing videos, that they can show you websites and everything, how to scroll to somewhere. I have no idea how you do that. So yeah, I am not a computer nerd, so I'm just gonna get on my phone a little bit to show you a little bit. So these are, I believe these are the embroidered patches. Oh my gosh, I love these to sew on some clothes. Oh my gosh, look. And what else do they have? This is the custom coins. So cool. Just check it out, guys. These are the patches. So cool. Look at that. These are custom patches. So cool. This is a challenge coin right here. Oh my god. Belt buckles. You even can make your buckle yourself, I believe. So cool. What else do they have? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Cartoon pins. Oh, so cool. If you have a favorite cartoon, you can make your own pin. Oh, this is what I told you about. I saw a video, a YouTube video, who draw these images, and then you can put any color inside which you like. Maybe you want to have this girl brown hair or something, or brown eyes, or whatever. So you can make it your own. It's so gorgeous. I wish I could. I wish I could make my own drawings. So cool. Maybe you have a nice car that you want to have in a pin. Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, this goes on and on and on. So check out the website. Check it out. Check it out. jsjj.com. Sorry guys, I just wanted to show you. Yeah, it's old style with my phone. I'm definitely not a computer nerd. Well, maybe I'm a nerd because I don't know that much. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And please do. See you next time. Bye bye. A few things about gsjj.com is they have more than 20 years of experience in manufacturing. Free shipping to the US, UK, Canada and Australia. Free design and artwork, factory direct price, one-stop service, excellent reviews. They have refill program, a friend saves 10% off and you get 5% points. Various products like Lapel pins, patches, challenge coins, medals, belt buckles, keychains, lanyards, wristbands, and so the pins up to 30% discount with low price, custom pins no minimum, soft enamel pins, hard enamel pins, antique pins, 3D cut out pins, shiny and sandblast pins, They have so much, guys. Shiny platings, antique platings, dual platings and rainbow platings, special crafts, glitter powder, transparent, color, epoxy, dome, rhinestone, glow in the dark, hanging chain, slider, spinner, bobble heads, laser engraving. Oh my god. Offer paper cards with your own logo, massive pin templates, simple automatic. Oh my gosh. They also have custom stickers, no minimum, anti-freeze, durable and waterproof. I'm just reading this all out because otherwise I could not remember all of that. Glossy or matte surface, easy to peel without residue. Types of stickers including clear stickers, holographic stickers, transfer stickers, sticker sheets, massive sticker templates and elements in our online designer system. And that is amazing. The designer, the online designer system is amazing. And if you can't come out of that, just give them a note and they will help you. So that is so amazing. Check out gsjj.com.